Hi, good morning all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pavitra. I am from Karnataka and I create a YouTube vlogs in English because it's a common language that help me share my thoughts, culture and tradition with the people all around the world. I believe you will stand by me. Drawing a rangoli is an important part of Indian culture. It shows the happiness and brings a positive feeling to home. People also draw rangoli to welcome goddesses Lakshmi. Making a rangoli some good benefits too. The way you sit while drawing helps to keep your back straight and healthy. It's also help you focus better and become more creative. I water the indoor plants in my home. Performing a puja purifies the mind and fills the home with a positive energy. It's helped to ally the body, mind, and soul by focusing on a single divine purpose while also clearing away negative vibrations. Puja serves as a powerful way to relieve stress and express heartfelt gratitude to God. Some practices like mantra chanting, rhythmic bhajanas can have a psychological effects such as reducing the heart rate and blood pressure. Worshipping the stove is believed to bring blessings, prosperity, and success to household. I am absolutely passionate about tea. It's something I truly love and can't get enough of. Today I have making a pulao for breakfast. First wash 1 cup of rice and then soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add 6 garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 2 inch of cinnamon sticks, 2 cloves, 9 pepper seeds into a kutani and paste it well. Take a pressure cooker, heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the oil is hot, then add 1 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 1 cinnamon stick. Now add chopped onions, saute well, add green peas, chopped potatoes and chopped carrot and then add chopped beans. Now add the paste made in kutani and saute well. Now add chopped tomatoes, then saute well. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and saute well. Now add chopped coriander leaves and chopped pudina. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Saute well. Once all veggies are cooked, add soaked rice into the pressure cooker and mix well. Pour 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. Once the bubbles are coming like this, then close the lid of the pressure cooker and take a 3 whistles. Open the lid after 3 whistles. Mix well. Pulao is now ready and served with a raita. Aloe vera plants are the best indoor plants. These plants are having air purifying qualities and emitting the oxygen at night. Hence, these plants are best for bedroom. According to Vastu, these plants are bring luck and these plants require low maintenance and minimal care. These plants having some advantages like soothing the sunburn, treats the minor wounds and help to retain moisture and keeping the skin hydrated. By applying the aloe vera gel to scalp, it gives the nutrients to hair and relieves the itchy scalp and dandruff. Aloe vera offers many health benefits, so consider planting at least one in your home. Sunday afternoon. Now we are going to Birds of Paradise. Thank you for your precious time. Please like and subscribe.